Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. எனக்கு மானிட்டருக்கு பத்தல இது. அதாவது இங்க எனக்கு எக்கோ கேக்குது. ஹாலோட எக்கோ தான் கேக்குது. கெவின் கெவின் இல்ல நீ ஏதோ ஒரு ஹேண்ட் மைக்ல பேசுறாங்க கார்ட்லெஸ்ஸோ ஏதோ ஒன்று.
செக் 1 2 3 4.
இது நல்லா இருக்கு.
அதுக்கு அங்க வச்சிருக்க மாட்டாரு அந்த மானிட்டருக்கு.
அது என்னன்னாக்க எக்கோவா கேக்குது.
இப்ப பாருங்கண்ணா.
அது இது மானிட்டர் அவுட் என்னடா கொடுத்துருக்க? மானிட்டர் அவுட். அப்ப குரூப் 2 மட்டும் ஏத்து போடுமே.
குரூப் 2 ஆன் பண்ணா போதும். குரூப் 2 ஆன் பண்ணு.
ஆனே பண்ணலையா? பண்ணி பாரு விசில் அடிக்குதானே? செக் 1 2 செக் 1 2 இல்ல
செக் 1 2 செக் 1 2 செக் 1 2 3 4 செக் 1 2 3 4 செக் 1. அண்ணா அங்க யாரோ ஒருத்தர் அப்படியே போடியம்ல பேச சொல்லி உங்களுக்கு கேக்குதான்னு பாருங்க. சண்முனா மேல போய் போடியத்துல பேசுங்க. நான் அது மட்டும் செக் பண்ணி போயிருங்க போடியம் மட்டும். சண்முகம் வராரு பேசுங்க சண்முகம்.
Sir, welcome. We can see that you have joined. I'm joining you.
Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello, check. 1 2. Hello, check. போதுங்களா?
அரே விசி ஓபன் பண்ணு மைக்க. ஸ்பீக்கர். ஸ்பீக்கர். அவர் this guy.
I don't know actually who is dealing with.
அரே அவர் what is his name? Local.
Mario.
That's not bad.
Okay, can you get his number?
That's not your local man.
போடியமா.
Mr. Dimri, morning to you.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. I hope you can hear me well.
Yes, sir, I can hear you. Dimri sir is not available right now.
Okay. VC mic ஏத்து ஸ்பீக்கர் ஏத்து. VC ல வால்யூம் பாரு தினேஷ். VC வால்யூம்.
Sir, I can hear you and see.
Perfect. So I can see you and Mr. Dr. Mishra's camera as well as a PIP.
Yes.
So connectivity is good, no issues.
Okay, sir.
Right, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Is there any way you can increase your mic's volume?
Yes, sir, I can increase my volume. Is my system is Jabra, sir, so it's not a proper VC system.
Oh, okay.
Where I am tested.
Can you go to the mic in which Mr. Mishra is going to, Dr. Mishra is going to be talking?
Yes, yes, sir, sure.
And we'll check that mic.
Okay, no issue. I'm good. Okay.
Sir, we are connected both ways. Everything is working fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you for that, sir. I'll keep you updated, sir. I don't know. See, tomorrow for the governor and all that is going to be very. Look at it. Because today we have nobody on stage. Except the ministers. Yeah. They have called us or we have called them? Hold on, madam. We would like to disconnect and redial at 6 Mbps. We are just dialing you at 6 Mbps. Illa, they are on a bridge, Dinesh. We cannot do it. We cannot connect to the bridge.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, you have connected at 3 Mbps. Can you connect at 6 Mbps? I have a 6 Mbps line.
Sorry, sir. Our maximum is 4 Mbps.
Oh, okay, perfect. Thank you. We are okay on this.
Fine. How's my audio video?
Oh, bite here. Can you try sitting and talking? No problem.
No, sir.
So that we know
How's
for
my audio
sure.
video, sir?
Please stop.
How's my audio video, sir? Audio video
Dinesh,
goes fine.
ஏத்த முடியுமா? Gain வச்சு பாரு. லூப்பா தானே. Yeah, please go ahead, sir.
So I'm counting 1 to 10, sir.
Oh, yes. Perfect. Now you are sounding much
1,
better.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you.
We welcome Dr. P.K. Misra from the Prime Minister Office. Sir, good morning, our regards, and welcome to SCB Medical College, Cuttack, on the occasion of Platinum Jubilee. We are honored and feel privileged that you have joined us on this occasion, sir. I am Dr. Datteshwar Hota, the Dean and Principal of SCB Medical College, Cuttack. We have already passed 75 glorious years. We are stepping into the 76th, 77th years, and we look forward to a 25 years ahead. And the basic objective of having this program, that today's program is meant for how we should progress for the coming 25 years. Well, as a son of the soil and a pride Odia, I feel very privileged that you are.
Sure. Friends, this Platinum Jubilee is being celebrated about the time India is attaining the 75th year of its independence and celebrating it as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Our Prime Minister has given a clarion call for the country to strive hard during the next 25 years, the Amrit Kal, what he calls it, so that India becomes a developed country by 2047. In this endeavor, the role of health sector is critical. Economic growth and development depends not only on physical capital, but substantially on human capital. Development research has very clearly brought out, based on empirical data, that countries such as the Southeast Asian countries could achieve faster economic growth, research capacities, whether in vaccine or DNA analysis or any other area. Second, a context-specific, calibrated approach to scaling diagnostics and clinical management facilities. And all of the government approach covering several departments. Over 8,500 Jan Aushadhi Kendras supply medicine at cheaper rates. Today, we have achieved a level of 120 crore doses of vaccination. 83% of those eligible are already with 1 dose of vaccination and 45% 2 doses of vaccines, a remarkable achievement even by global standards. Developing and using the CoWIN platform is a remarkable use of technology on such a large scale, which is probably not done even in developed countries. The number of new cases has been significantly less and is declining during the last few weeks. However, there is no scope for any complacency. We need to continue with COVID appropriate behavior, particularly in view of the rising number of cases in several countries, especially Europe. The post-COVID world is going to see path-breaking changes in our policies, priorities, and use of technology. It is an opportune time to ensure that the health sector receives much more focus and attention than it has been so far. Increased investment is no doubt essential. What is also necessary is an inclusive approach and providing affordable and quality health care to those who do not have adequate access to such facilities. Government of India has taken several steps to transform the health sector of the country during the last 7 years. I would like to mention 4 major initiatives in this regard. First, Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Center scheme, launched in 2018, aims to transform the primary healthcare landscape in India. 1.5 lakh health and wellness centers are to be operationalized by 2022. Of these, 80,000 are already functional. The idea is not only to provide the first point of care, but also emphasize prevention of diseases, including lifestyle disorders, use of telemedicine, and integration with yoga. A mid-level provider leads the team to provide care, dispense medicines, and conduct essential tests across 12 packages. Second, Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, launched in 2018, is India's giant leap for universal health coverage. The program aims at providing free access to secondary and tertiary health coverage. The program aims at providing free access to secondary and tertiary care to over 500 million poor and deprived population for a cover of rupees 5 lakh per family per annum. I am aware that Government of Odisha has yet to join this program as it has its own scheme, the Biju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana. Third, the Ayushman Bharat National Digital Mission, launched on the 27th of September 2021 recently, envisions creating a seamless online platform to strengthen accessibility, quality, and equity of health services, as well as a continuum of care. The key components include a unique health ID for every citizen, healthcare professionals registry, health facilities registry, and telemedicine. The program will benefit the citizens by providing choice to access both private and public health facilities. It will create interoperability within the digital health ecosystem, similar to the role played by the Universal Payment Interface or UPI in revolutionizing payments. In other words, there will be all possibilities. People can be having their health record online. Medical professionals will be online. Medical facilities or diagnostic centers will be online. It will create a unique ecosystem in the health sector which can transform the entire scenario. Fourth, the Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission is the latest initiative launched in October 2021. It envisages multidimensional and multimodal intervention aimed to augment healthcare and disease prevention efforts nationwide, with an outlay of 64,000 crores for 5 years. It aims at specialized critical care hospital blocks in all district hospitals with 37,000 beds with ICUs, ventilators, and oxygen support. Creation of a network of 29,000 health and wellness centers, over 4,000 block and district level public health units and labs, full range of diagnostics services in all districts, IT-enabled disease surveillance system. In addition, the mission envisages the development of an institutional approach to holistic health care by developing the National Institution of One Health, 4 new National Institute of Virology, 15 biosafety level 3 laboratories, 5 new national centers for disease control. We have only 1 at present, and public health units at 50 international entry points aim to prevent future diseases outbreak. In other words, these 4 initiatives which I mentioned, the 4 initiatives, the first one, of course, the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, the Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Center, it focusing on the primary medical health care. The other one, Ayushman Bharat Jan Arogya Yojana, focuses on secondary and tertiary. The National Digital Health Mission brings entire medical system, medical care online and accessibility for all. And the 4th one, the Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission, can take us to the next generation of health infrastructure and healthcare, and of course, a few national level institutions. In the area of medical education, there have been substantive transformation during the last 5 years. The transformative enactment of the National Medical Commission Act 2019 has brought in much needed professionalism and credibility to the medical education regulator. Further, there has been 80% increase in postgraduate medical seats and 50% increase in undergraduate MBBS seats. 157 new medical colleges have been sanctioned by the Government of India with an objective of having 1 medical college at least or institution in every district. Every district will have at least 1 medical college. Emergency medicine departments have been mandated in all medical colleges by 2022. This is expected to enhance the reach of much needed emergency care services for citizens. Coming to Indian pharma industry, it is the 3rd largest by volume, with India as the largest supplier of low-cost generics and vaccines in the world. It is well known that India contributes over 60% of world's vaccines. When the COVID-19 crisis hit us, the Indian pharma industry sprung into action and developed and manufactured vaccines. The inactivated virion vaccine, Covaxin, and the DNA vaccine, Zycovidi, are indigenous vaccines that have already been granted emergency use authorization. The protein subunit vaccine by BioE, mRNA vaccine by Genova, and an intranasal vaccine by BBIL are in the advanced clinical development stage. Covishield, Sputnik, Covovax, and Johnson & Johnson vaccines developed elsewhere are being manufactured in India. To boost the pharma sector, the government has undertaken various initiatives. One of these successful initiatives has been introduction of production-linked incentive or PLI scheme for pharmaceuticals. PLI scheme for promotion of domestic manufacturing of critical key starting materials, KSMs, drug intermediates, and active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs. And also there is a PLI scheme for promoting domestic manufacturing of medical devices. Also, there is a scheme for promotion of bulk drug parks. While India is doing well in the generic space, we need to focus on research and discovery of new molecules and promotion of different therapy areas. In order to grow in the high value segment, it is critical for the industry to focus on research in key potential areas such as biosimilars and adult vaccines, and emerging technologies using artificial intelligence and machine learning for process optimization. I have described some of the important initiatives in the health sector in recent years, as we are striving to become a developed country and also in the midst of addressing the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. It is very critical time for the health sector to expand in terms of spread, scale, and quality. More than physical infrastructure, equipment, and medicines, what is of importance is the quality of human resources. I am sure the medical community will contribute towards building a world-class health infrastructure system in India and facilitate capacity development in the country, keeping pace with the momentous efforts by the government. There is a huge scope for them in joining medical college teaching positions, often lying vacant in new and existing medical colleges, as well as the new AIIMS. In the private sector, they could contribute to DNB courses. With the development of technology, there is tremendous scope for telemedicine supported outreach where voluntary efforts can supplement formal initiatives. It is also important to focus on the people who are poor, downtrodden, and deprived of access to medical care. In some areas and institutions, there is much emphasis on a commercial approach. The medical profession can work out how to inculcate a sense of service and ensure high ethical standards in the profession. It is not unique to the medical profession. It is applicable to all other professions as well when the country is striving to become a developed country. I am very happy to learn that the SCBNs, the alumni of the college, have maintained a vibrant connect with their alma mater. Their achievements across India and in other countries serve as inspiration to the younger generation. The alumni can contribute in multiple ways for the progress of the college. On the occasion of the Platinum Jubilee celebration, I congratulate all faculty, members, students, alumni, and other stakeholders associated with the SCB Medical College for their accomplishment. There are, however, much bigger challenges and major tasks for the coming years. The 75th year of independence, the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, is an occasion to look ahead for a brighter future for the SCB Medical College and all those associated with it. The future holds immense possibilities and opportunities